Hey everybody, it's Melissa Thomas from C2C Stamping, and I am going to unbox quickly some of the spring catalog items that I got. So let me flip this around and all right, here we go. So I'm going to get this in the mount so that hopefully it shapes dies. So I'll try to set aside kind of what was on sale versus what's in the spring catalog. I think that was on sale. That was on sale. Okay, this is definitely spring catalog. So Seaside Bay, super cute stamp set. Really like it. It's $1 million stamp set from Susan Morton. And the imagery is really nice. I like the sandpipers a lot. This is a really nice one. The crab is really cute. I like the shells. So I think we'll have a lot of fun with this one. There is a die set that goes with it. It's probably somewhere. And then a few of these things, like I said, were, from the annual catalog. So I will go ahead and show off what I can. These are the dies that go with that set. Oh yeah, so you've got a really nice textured die there, some other textures, some seashells, some pieces that cut off a little like torn edge. Nice. See, those are some nice dies. All right, so then one of the other stamp sets from the spring catalog is called Something Fancy. We really like all the sentiments, especially I Didn't Forget Your Birthday. I'm just stretching out the celebration. And there is a die set that goes with that. There's also the two-tone flora, which is a two-step stamping set, and there's dies that go with that as well. This is like a double suite, but what they did is they actually matched up the dies with the correct stamp set. Oh yeah, so this is the one that has the beautiful floral intricate die, and then it's got some finer, shapes to cut out those. And then the Something Fancy dies, the one that goes with the words, is, look, there's some extra sticky in here. Some really great shapes that all kind of layer and gather. And there's like some little like circles to make these into tags. Just really nice pieces. So I think that we're gonna get a lot of use out of that. If you're looking for a set with good sentiments and a good set of labels, I think that's gonna be the winning set. And then this is the Alphabet a la Mode dies, and they are a set of skinny alpha letters that also has multiples of letters you use most frequent, which I really appreciate a lot. So a couple other things from the spring catalog is not that. This is from Sale-a-bration. This is the Sending Support stamp set. Some days are harder than others. There are so many ways you might feel right now. It's okay not to feel okay. So they're both inside and outside sentiments for sending support. This is a really important stamp set, and I think we'll see this one a lot. And it's a free item with Sale-a-bration. So is In the Country, which is a beautiful set that features some like really pretty kind of farmhouse look, and then a really pretty country road. So I think we'll see that one a lot. And then I'm pulling out some, these are the note cards and envelopes that are part of the pack with next month's Paper Pumpkins. So you can buy a set of 20 cards and envelopes that coordinate with next month's Paper Pumpkin, the one that's coming out on December 10th. So you have to subscribe by December 10th. But it's a packaging, the kit itself is like boxes, but this is the note cards and envelopes that go with it, that coordinates. There's a really pretty pink and a green and like a pretty blue. So anyways, I've got big plans for these. And then we've also got, this is also a celebration set, the Adorable Owls. Love them. And then the ribbon that goes with the By the Bay, it's Balmy Blue and White, and it's this really beautiful ribbon. And then the paper that goes with the By the Bay, you guys knew I'd be all in on all this, right? So this is really cool. Like, it's got some holographic type pieces, so can you see that? It's gorgeous. So there's 4 of those. There's 4 with the oyster shells. There's 4 with that, which is really beautiful. There's 4 that have gold. That's gorgeous. 4 that have that with the fish. Really pretty. There's a subtle gold there, and I like the little crabs and the sandpipers. There's some of that more holographic look on that one, which I didn't even know that existed on here. This one, which is also kind of holographic. This one, same deal. Oh, wow, that's pretty. That's nice. Also, some more fish, so that's nice to know there's 2 sets of that. Some softer pinks. Really pretty Sahara sand. And then the flip side, you've got some ocean. You've got some seashells. I'll kind of hold those up. You've got, oh, look at that sandpiper. He's so cute. You've got some more shells. You've got some really nice kind of scene building opportunities here. I like that a lot. Ooh, and then kind of a moodier scene building opportunity. That's nice. And then, ooh, wood grain. I love that. That's pretty. And then, oh, yeah, so like all balmy blues. Some waves. Some texture. Yeah, pretty. Nice. So I got a couple packs of that. Just a couple. Don't worry, it'll all go to good use. Okay, and then the farm paper, what's it called? Day at the Farm. This is a celebration item as well. And one of the things I like about it is that there's enough imagery in here that we can take it apart and we can cut out, fussy cut smaller things. Like I might not even need the stamp set. So you've got this, and then the back side of that is this, a plaid, trees, rolling hills. We've got kind of a red barn look, and then like a nice mesh. This is really cute with all the little ducks and geese and chickens. And then some chicken wire. Then you've got a full page. So this has like everything. So this is beautiful for like a scrapbook layout. But you could also use panels of it for making like cards that fold out. You could go panel this way as well, right? And have a really nice card. So there's definitely ways to use this in card format as well. And then a bunch of vegetables. I like it on the dark background. Ooh, and a fun yellow stripe. So that's a fun paper. That's really cool. And then this is the Celebration Dandy Designs celebration paper. This is also a celebration item, and it is free with a $100 purchase, I believe, because you get 48 sheets of paper. So I'll just kind of like come here and we'll focus on here. So they're very soft pastels in a 12 by 12 sheet though. And you get lots of stars, shaped stripes, plaids, some squares. I like that. These would make super cute Easter treats, spring treats, even for Valentine's Day. I could see these for St. Patrick's Day, doing some stuff. So a lot of really cute paper, 4 sheets of each. You get 48 sheets. That's a great celebration item. And then this is another celebration item. This is the Dainty Flowers Designer Series paper. Oh, I might be able to get it open. I might not. My old methods are not working. Okay, good. Here we go. So one of the things I like about this paper is, for me, it's springtime in Texas for sure. All the wildflowers. So that's one piece. And then the back side of it. Ooh, oh, that's really pretty. Okay, so I like the back side a lot. I really love this. It'll be easy to create card panels with this. And then the back side is a nice pretty green. I like this one because look, we can get 6 card panels out of it and a nice little centerpiece as well. This will make lovely cards for like the senior center, you know, for those of you who just like to stamp and go. And then again, the back is really pretty. There's some greenery pieces. The back side of that is purple. There's a kind of a purple flower. The back side of that is like an orchid oasis, some multi-flower, and then a really nice pink piece as well. So really pretty paper. That's also a celebration item. Might have gotten a lot of designer series paper. This is actually from a new suite, Delicate Desert. And the paper is just really pretty. It's got a lot of desert themes on it. So we've got some, you know, iCat patterns and some real textural pieces. So I think we're going to be able to do some nice things with this. And hopefully this gives you a sense of the prettiness in the fall, in the spring catalog. Ooh, that's pretty. And some fun thing we can do with the designer series paper. If you want to participate in my paper sampler, I always do a try it paper sampler, and I do a card design for every new pack of paper in the catalog. And so that's always a fun thing to do. This is also a stamp set in the new catalog, Best Family Ever. I think it's a really nice set, and one of the reasons I like it is it says bonus. So bonus mom is a really nice sentiment. I have a couple bonus moms. I hope you do too. Some of the new, this is really pretty, the iridescent pastel gems. And then these are the adhesive back pearls. I thought those were really beautiful. And they're flat, so that's nice. So they're not a rounded pearl. And then the last thing, I think this is some shimmer paper from the spring catalog. Open this up. So there, ooh, that's pretty and shimmery, and some purples and some rose, like some gold. Ooh, that's pretty paper. There's no texture to it; it's smooth, so I really like that. And I think it goes with this suite, if I'm not mistaken, the Fancy Florist suite, hopefully. And then they have a designer series paper pack that comes with theirs, and it's all like kind of looks like it's hand painted. So it's like paint daubs, and I like that it has neutrals, but it also has some pastels. It's very abstract looking, which means that we'll be able to do some really fun things. That means it'll work for lots of different cards, and lots of different, you know, scrapbooking and other elements. So it's really nice. So there you go. There is the spring catalog preview. If you have any questions, let me know. Spring catalogs, we can ship them through the end of the month. So we do catalog mailing selector, so it can be direct sent to you. If you don't have a demonstrator and you would like to be on my mailing list, please send me a message with your address, and I'm happy to add you to it before November 30th. And I'll add you to my catalog mailing selector. And then after that point, if you'd like to get a catalog, then we can chat and we'll figure out how to make that happen. Usually at that point, I then charge $5 for you to get a catalog, and then I take that $5 off your first order. So just to help me defray the mailing cost. Stampin' Up! Lets us mail it for a really, really, really good price. It becomes considerably more expensive when we mail it ourselves. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and you're having a nice restful weekend. I know we are. And yeah, please let me know if you have any questions about the spring catalog, anything that you want to see. And if you're interested in becoming a demonstrator, demonstrators can pre-order. This was because we went to OnStage, so we were able to order a select batch of products early. But all demonstrators can pre-order anything from the spring catalog as long as there's no stock issues on December 1. So it's a great reason to join Stampin' Up. We'd love to have you join our team if you're interested. So please message me if you have any questions. And thanks so much, y'all. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.